Let's shift focus and talk about the upcoming Delhi elections. We're just moving closer to the 5th of February and the day Delhiites will decide who will rule the national capital for the next 5 years. The political parties in the fray are not leaving any stone unturned to woo the key voters. Right from the Aam Aadmi Party to the Congress to the BJP, the top focus seems to be on the 71.74 lakh women voters out of the total 1.55 crore voters in Delhi. Let's take a look as far as the elections in the recent past is concerned and how political parties are clearly considering that women-centric financial schemes can be a game changer. Right after the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, women seem to be a top priority for the BJP as well, given the kind of schemes for welfare measures the parties announced, with which the launching of the first part of the manifesto for the Delhi elections. The Sankalp Patra or the vision document of the BJP promises one-time financial assistance of 21,000 rupees to pregnant women, along with other 6 nutritional kits. BJP President and Union Minister JP Nadda also announced a Mahila Samriddhi Yojana, under which women will receive 2,500 rupees per month, same as the Congress party announced. Now, hitting out at the AAP government, JP Nadda said that the Aam Aadmi Party promised to give 1,000 rupees to women back in 2021. However, that promise still remains unfulfilled, neither in Delhi nor in Punjab. But the BJP will deliver its promises. That is the promise or the assurance that came in from the BJP side.
हमने गरीब कल्याण, सुशासन, गुड गवर्नेंस, विकास, डेवलपमेंट, महिला सम्मान, युवाओं की मेन स्ट्रीमिंग, किसानों की मेन स्ट्रीमिंग, मजदूर वर्ग को मुख्य धारा में लाना, ये सबको अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव बनाकर आज हमें खुशी होती है कि हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अकॉर्डिंग टू नीति आयोग आज 25 करोड़ लोग बीपीएल की रेखा से ऊपर आ चुके हैं, बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन से ऊपर आ चुके हैं.
So as far as the voter that is now divided in male and female, and exactly how much do they contribute, especially when it comes to the female factor as far as the upcoming Delhi elections is concerned, because the promises this time that have been made, and this is from the BJP Sankalp Patra, promising 21,000 rupees one-time financial aid to pregnant women. There would be also nutritional kits that would be provided. Another promise is of 2,500 rupees financial assistance per month that would be given to women. There is another promise of 500 rupees that has now been made as a subsidy on LPG gas cylinders as well. Now, 2 free cylinders on the occasion on the festivals of Holi and Diwali, that is also being promised in the Sankalp Patra. And also what we are learning, that the implementation of Ayushman Bharat scheme, which till now under the Aam Aadmi Party's governance has not been implemented in the national capital, that would be soon done if the BJP forms its government. Also talking about the pension scheme for senior citizens that has been announced, and also the announcement of Atal canteens that would be set up in every slum. So these are the promises as far as the BJP Sankalp Patra has now included. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party convener and former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has taken a jibe at the BJP over free ki revadis. He has said that what will the Prime Minister do so far, saying that freebies are not good, and now it is same thing that they are offering to the people of Delhi. BJP countering the argument, saying that while the Aam Aadmi Party makes fake promises, delivery on these promises by the BJP is Modi ki guarantee. Now, the BJP party leaders also highlighted that there is a difference between offering sops and actually giving true empowerment.
आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष ने ऐलान किया है कि हम भी केजरीवाल की तरह फ्री की रेवड़ी देंगे. प्रधानमंत्री जी सामने आके स्पेसिफिकली ऐलान करें कि उनकी इस पे सहमति है, और वो कहें कि पहले जो मोदी जी कह रहे थे वो गलत था. अभी तक मोदी जी ने जब जब कहा कि फ्री की रेवड़ी सही नहीं है, मोदी जी कहें कि मैंने गलत बोला था, केजरीवाल सही था. मोदी जी कहें कि फ्री रेवड़ी देश के लिए नुकसान नहीं है बल्कि भगवान का प्रसाद है.
मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ इतना ही चल रहा है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी दिल्ली को बहुत प्यार करते हैं. राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने जब घोषणा किया कि दिल्ली की प्रत्येक महिला को 2,500 रुपए प्रति महीने उनको महिला सम्मान के रूप में दिया जाएगा, तो एक बार तो मैं अपने को ऐसे चिट्ठी काट रहा था कि क्या मैं सही सुन रहा हूं? अब दिल्ली के महिलाओं को असली हक मिलेगा उनका। मोदी की गारंटी मतलब गारंटी पूरी होने की गारंटी।
देखिए, दिल्ली की महिलाओं ने मन बना लिया है कि वो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की गारंटी को चुनना चाहती है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चुनना चाहती है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर भी महिलाओं के खाते में सम्मान राशि दी थी, महाराष्ट्र में भी दी थी, छत्तीसगढ़ में भी दी थी, हरियाणा में भी दी थी और देश भर की महिलाओं का सम्मान आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की हर स्कीम के जरिए हो रहा है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सिर्फ छलावा किया है, पंजाब हो गया या दिल्ली हो गया। इसी छलावे के खिलाफ दिल्ली के अंदर महिलाएं वोट करने वाली हैं।
Pradeep Datta joining us live right now. Good morning, Pradeep. Now, one part of the promises was a Sankalp Patra that has now been announced by the BJP as far as its manifesto is concerned. The BJP and the promises that it has now made, similar on the lines as far as what they have been offering to the women on Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party has taken this as an opportunity to take on the BJP.
Yes, Savita, you're absolutely right. As we are inching slowly towards February 5, the war of words between different political parties, including Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, has further intensified and escalated. And this time they're fighting over the freebies that are being announced by each party. And we have seen that how this has provided the recent Sankalp Patra that was announced by BJP has provided enough ammunition to Aam Aadmi Party to target them, because they are saying that since day one, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had been totally opposed to the idea of freebies being provided to people, and he was calling it Mufti Revdi. So how all of a sudden they have changed their heart and started just giving freebies and announcing all the welfare scheme for the people, because we have seen that it was Arvind Kejriwal who had initially announced that 2100 will be provided to women. Now the BJP says they are going to give 2500. Not only that, BJP has gone one step further. They are saying that they are also going to provide a free nutritional kit to the pregnant women, and also they will be giving them money also when they will be pregnant, so that they can take care of their family members, do not face any kind of a burden. But one thing is quite clear, that everybody is trying to look at this women constituency. Gone are the days when women used to follow what the men used to decide in the family, because during the last few elections in different parts of the country, it has been seen that the women had been following their heart, and on the basis of that they had been pressing the EVM button. That is what actually each and every political party have realized, that they know that the women vote can be a game changer. That's one of the reasons they are trying their level best to woo them, and that's one of the reasons we have seen that
all the women voters, as far as a significant factor that is now concerned for a possible victory. Of course, all of the parties there, as this triangular fight is concerned, is leaving no stone unturned. Remains to be seen who would be the victor here in this case, as far as the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party making those promises to the people of the national capital. Pradeep Datta, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching India's Election News Headquarters. We will be back after a very short break.